Hi guys, so today we're gonna make some papas. Papas, yeah, that's the name of it. So it's just a potato with meat inside, which is gonna be the ground beef, and you season it, make them into balls, and fry them. So come with me, and we're gonna make that today. So we're gonna start off um, by mashing our potatoes. These potatoes were already boiled and seasoned, and now I'm just gonna get them mashed up. And in my pan over here, I have my ground beef cooking. And I'm gonna add the seasoning soon. So you wanna make sure you chop up that ground beef too. So now I'm gonna add in, I have here some sazon, some adobo, some pepper, not a lot of seasonings. I seasoned those potatoes already too. And now I'm gonna add some garlic into the ground beef. Once you add the garlic, you just wanna continue chopping that ground beef up. Now I'm gonna add the tomato sauce to the ground beef. It didn't make a lot of oil, so I didn't have to remove any, which is good. So once your ground beef is cooked, you're gonna put it to the side, and we're gonna add in some cornstarch. So then you want to heat some oil to about 350, the temperature should be. And then we're going to start the process of making our potato balls. Okay, so the oil is at the 350 mark. So we're going to start. Yeah, it's at 350. So you want to get your potatoes smashed down like that. And make sure that most of the lumps are out of your potatoes. And then we're going to add our cheese and ground beef. So I'm adding in the ground beef. And then we're going to add some cheese on top. And you just want to get it into a ball. Now, if you have to, you can add some more potatoes to the top of that opening there, because you want to make sure everything is covered up. Anywhere you see thin spots, because you don't want it coming out. So there's your potato ball. So you just want to continue that process until you have a few bowls. And when you put them in the pot, do not crowd your pot. It's a little sticky from those potatoes, just a little. Get your bowl in there. See, I have an opening here. You want to cover that up. It's just like plastering a wall. Oh, God. Okay, so I made some pretty big ones, but we're going to get them into this hot oil. So you just want to keep turning them around because they brown up quick. They look good. So they are still a little warm. Oh. But that's how it should look inside, and let's taste. That's good. So good. How does it taste?
It's delicious.